Welcome to NTP Protocol Explained. This video covers the Network Time Protocol, a fundamental system that keeps computers and servers synchronized across the Internet. By the end of this video, you'll understand how NTP works, why it matters, and how it's used in real-world systems. Time synchronization is critical in computing. Without accurate time, distributed systems can't coordinate properly. Financial transactions fail, logs become unreliable, and security systems break down. NTP solves this problem by keeping all computers on the same time, within milliseconds of accuracy. Every computer has its own clock, but these clocks drift over time. Network delays vary unpredictably. Different computers may have completely different times. NTP addresses these challenges by using multiple trusted time sources and sophisticated algorithms to calculate the most accurate time despite network uncertainty. NTP uses a layered approach called Strata. Stratum 0 consists of atomic clocks and GPS receivers, the most accurate time sources. Stratum 1 servers connect directly to these atomic clocks. Stratum 2 servers get time from Stratum 1, and so on. Your computer might be Stratum 3 or 4, receiving time through this hierarchy to maintain global synchronization. An NTP client sends a request to a server with a timestamp. The server receives it, adds its own timestamps, and sends a response. The client measures the round-trip time and calculates the network delay. Using this information, NTP determines the offset between the client and server clocks, then adjusts the local clock gradually to avoid disrupting running processes. NTP doesn't just jump your clock to the correct time. Instead, it gently adjusts the clock frequency. If your clock is running fast, NTP slows it down. If it's running slow, NTP speeds it up. This process is called clock discipline, and it ensures smooth operation without breaking time-sensitive applications. The adjustment happens gradually over minutes or hours. Security is essential in NTP. Attackers could send false time information to disrupt systems. NTP addresses this through authentication, verifying that time sources are trustworthy. Integrity checks ensure that time data hasn't been tampered with during transmission. Replay protection prevents attackers from reusing old time responses to fool your system. In large data centers and cloud environments, NTP becomes even more critical. Thousands of servers need synchronized time for coordinated logging, transaction ordering, and distributed consensus. Deployments use multiple time sources across different network paths for redundancy. If one source fails, others take over automatically, ensuring continuous synchronization across the entire infrastructure. Even with NTP, clock drift can occur. Network congestion, hardware failures, or misconfiguration can cause synchronization issues. Operators must monitor clock drift continuously. When drift exceeds acceptable thresholds, alerts notify the team. Modern deployments use centralized dashboards to track synchronization across hundreds or thousands of systems in real time. NTP keeps the digital world synchronized. Accurate time requires trustworthy references bounded by network delays. Clock discipline uses timestamps and delay calculations to adjust local clocks. Reliability comes from redundancy and monitoring. Security prevents clock tampering. Whether you're running a single server or managing a global data center, NTP is the invisible infrastructure that makes modern computing possible.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.